It's February 20th, and we're going to go ahead and do a seed starting update, see how things are going here. And we'll start over here where we've got some of our older plants that we had seed started. This is our rhubarb, and it's doing really well. It probably wouldn't hurt to be brought up to 2-gallon pots, but we're hoping that it can survive here, and then we'll just transplant it over. Not too long. I think a little over a month, and we'll be able to put it out. Now we have our other seeds that we started, which was our oregano. It's looking real good. It's just a little cool. Maybe have another cool spell, so we're letting it stay there. We have some sage here. We have some more oregano. And we have, right over there, we have a couple of rosemary plants. Now these ones were purchased, so they're bigger, but those ones were started from seed. And this right here, I'm not sure what that is. I think it's some kind of mint or something. I'll have to check that out. But anyway, and we have all our oregano there, and it'll go out soon. Over here, we have a lot of our cooler weather crops, and it's kind of hard to keep up with which one when they're little like that. This is my lacinato kale. Over here, we have some more Savoy cabbage, and we have a little Hilton cabbage, kind of sparse. And then we have some different flowers that's coming along. We have our different kinds of basil, and then of course we have some lettuce over here, and this is butter crunch, so this will be a head lettuce, and some of this can be put out. We have some more purple cabbage. We'll be getting that out soon, and we have some Mitchahili over there. This is our some more flowers. They were really sparse coming up, and we have some lavender. Now I have a hard time with lavender. There's a few little plants coming up. I don't know if any of these trays will even come on, but that's what happens sometimes. Now our onion, of course, they're laying over. We just watered this morning, and our leek, that's over there. We have some of our flowers that we potted. These are bachelor buttons. And then right here is our romaine, and it's got some little ones coming up. We replanted on the top of that. That seed just wasn't that good. That's why we got some more. And our bok choy is looking real leggy. It needed to be moved out a few days earlier, but I didn't get to it. We have some more flowers here. We have borage right there, and we have some more chamomile right here. And chamomile, when they're little, they just so slow to grow, but it won't be long, they'll take off. And of course, we've got some snapdragons that we potted up. Now, today we moved, and these have been watered too, but we moved our peppers out to the greenhouse. They're all getting big enough. The weather is going to be warm enough. If we do plan to get a cold spell, we'll probably just move these back in. But they're all doing good, and we've got some eggplants that are doing good. And it'll be a whole lot better for them to be subjected to, cooler temperatures. The wind's going to blow them out here. They're going to get a little more sun, and so they'll get acclimated to this outdoor. Now, these are my unconventional potatoes that I planted. You can see they're all doing good, but they definitely need to be out and get some sunlight. It won't be long. These will grow real fast, and they'll need to be put out into the potato plot over there. But they're doing really good. These are German butterballs, and we have a video of where we planted those. Now let's see what else we got growing up from seed. Now these aren't transplants. These are direct seeded, but these are my carrots, and as you can see, we thought we might have a poor germination, but they did start coming on, and they're spaced good, so we should get a good crop of carrots And then we have our beets, which they're big enough now you can see them at a distance. And of course, our spinach here is really doing good. Now let's go inside. Inside here, where we're climate controlled, we got our cilantro, and we still don't have any sign of it germinating. It's been 6 days, but normally it takes 10 to 2 weeks at least on mine to germinate. Now over here we have a few of our tomatoes, our Martian Giants, and I don't know what else we got over here. They might all be Martian Giants. And these are our artichokes. We started these kind of early. Hopefully they'll do pretty good. We have some more artichokes down here. We planted 6 seeds and got 6 artichokes. And we got our marshmallow plants. They're doing really good. They're getting their true leaves on them now. Hopefully won't be long. We'll be putting those out. Now we have our roselle. We started this really early, and I'm debating whether to carry it outside, which I might just do that in the cool weather, slow it down some. It does stay a little bit warmer in here at night in the open shop area with the doors closed. And we have all our other tomatoes that we had pricked out and set. In fact, it looks like I got one more pepper that over there needs to be taken out. But the tomatoes are all doing well. Looks like they ought to be up to good size by the time we get ready to put these out. But that's where we're sitting right now with all our seeds starting. It's really looking good. The peppers might end up being a little larger than I wanted. They seem to be growing. Actually, they're 2 weeks behind the tomatoes, but they could have probably been started about the same time. But anyway, if you want to follow along on this journey, of course, hit subscribe, hit that bell, select all. Give her a big thumbs up. Share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.